Good morning and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Well, if you're wondering why I look like I've been through it, it's because I've just done what you're about to do for your September Jackhammer challenge, okay? You might just look like you've been through it too here in a few minutes. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to get some shoulder boulder work in and mold some triceps. So, what that is going to look like format-wise is a lot of Tabata Supersets, okay, with some heavy lifting rep sets in between, okay? This workout is going to make you feel so strong and powerful. It's going to help you get a lot of practice doing power moves like clean and presses, and hopefully it will go by quickly and be a lot of fun, okay? So what you're going to need is a wide variety of weights here. If you have weight plates, use those. If you have a barbell, use that. If you don't have any of that, just strap on your can-do attitude and your dumbbells, and we will get this done, and you will still have a great time and get a good challenge, okay? So don't forget your water and your weights and your can-do attitude, and I will see you back here in just a minute for your September Jackhammer challenge, the shoulder boulder and tricep moulder workout. See you soon. All right, Jackhammers, let's get your tricep and shoulder workout started with a good warm-up. All right, we're just going to start with some 6-way shoulders without the weights. So we make a T going up, we make a T going back down, okay? If you want to take the shoulders above your head here, too, when you get to the top, totally fine. I think I like that. If your shoulders aren't ready for that right now, just keep them right here like this, about eye level. We're just warming up the shoulder socket here, trying to convince it to do what we want it to do today. Let's hit a couple more here, and then we're going to go into some tricep push-ups on our knees just to warm up. All right, come down to your mat, down to your knees. Make sure your hands are right beside your chest, your elbows are tracking back. And then if you're on your knees, you're right on the front of those knees and your quads, okay? We're still pushing up through the outside of the palm. We're still tightening our core, even though we're just warming up here. And we don't have as much weight to lift up as if we were doing it on our knees, or sorry, our toes. Do a couple more here. Last one. All right. Now, we're going to go into some light clean and presses. I'm just going to use my bar here to just warm up that range of motion. You can use weights here. You can mime it out with no weight, okay? We're just trying to make sure that our body is ready to do this movement with heavy weight, okay? And after this warm-up, if you want to do some warm-up sets of clean and presses, I think that would be a great idea. Especially if you're really planning on going heavy today, get a couple sets in with lighter weight. Just to make sure you're warm enough to get into proper range of motion, use proper form, and all that good stuff. My bar is about 30 pounds, so when you do this, pretend you've got heavy weights. Use those legs as you get warm and really mimic the movement that you're going to do when you ramp that weight up. Do 2 more. Last one. Very good. All right. Grab a light weight or a weight plate for front raises. Just light weight here. Working those muscles, encouraging them to recruit their other muscle fiber friends to help us complete these movements. So thankful this is an upper body workout today, because yesterday I had an unexpected, awesome long run and my legs are screaming today. So this was very timely. All right, put that weight down. Let's just make some arm circles. Make sure that we're nice and loose, ready to crush this workout. Reverse it. All right, guys, your warm-up is complete. Make sure you have a nice drink of water. Take some time to do those extra warm-up sets of cleans and presses if you need to, and I'll see you back here for our workout. All right, guys, I hope you did those warm-up sets of cleans and presses if you felt like you needed to. I did them. I did 2 sets of 10 with 50 pounds. I have added 10 pounds onto that, so I'm going to be clean and pressing with 60, and then I'm going to be doing weight plate front raises with 25 pounds in the form of a weight plate. Okay, so you do you. Don't worry about how heavy or not heavy you feel your clean and presses, because what's important is improvement and safety. So this is a very full body complex move that requires a lot out of your core, a lot out of your flexibility, mobility, coordination. So I would rather see you do this with a lighter weight with correct form, getting through all those ranges of motion you're going to have to get into, than I would see you try to go heavy and do something that might hurt you. Okay, so this whole workout, except for our heavy clean and press portion that's rep based, is going to be Tabata style. So use a weight that's challenging again, but one that you can complete these reps with safely. Okay, we have 10 seconds, maybe. Yep, there we go. We have 10 seconds. We're going into a clean and press, and then we will go right into those weight plate front raises. Okay, use dumbbells for this. Do whatever you need to do. Okay, our job here isn't to have the most equipment. It's to get better and get stronger with what we have. Use your legs here. 4 seconds. Oh yeah, that's party time right there. Okay, all right. So as my best friend Eileen says, be you, boo-boo. So whatever weight you need to use, whatever equipment you need to use is just fine. Tighten your core here. You only have to get those weights to about eye level. You are welcome to use lighter weights and take that range of motion further. All right, very good. Wow, only the first set and already ouchie. All right, that's all right. All right, second set, push. Oh. Don't worry if you're not going fast. I'm certainly not. Excellent. Just be safe. Weight plate front raises for the second time. Whew. This is a breath taker. Try not to overuse those traps by shrugging. Get the shoulders down and back. Use your shoulders, use your anterior delts, your lats to complete that move. Here we go. Legs. And arms at the top. Woo. 8 seconds. Very good. Weight plate front raises. You need to strip that weight down. Do it. Here we go. We're at 6 of 8 here, which means after this, one more full round. Very good. All right. Take your 10 seconds. Get your space ready, get your mind right. Do not rush this. Here we go. Very good. Last one. This is tough. Don't be hard on yourself. Just keep going. If you need extra breaks, take them. Keep smiling. Or not. Make the ugliest face you know of. Just get through it. 3 seconds. Very good. All right, you're finished with your first Tabata pair. Take a drink. Awesome work. All right, so your next Tabata pair is going to be overhead weight plate tricep extensions. Again, if you don't have a weight plate, just do it with a dumbbell. Okay, remember to keep your elbows in tight so that you can't even see them when you're doing this, and squeeze at the top, okay? We're pairing that with thrusters, so I think I'm going to start with 20 pounds per hand on those thrusters, and that will probably be enough. But if it's not, we've got some other weights down here we can reach for. So I have my 25s ready, just in case. The 20s proved to be too easy, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. So you have 10 seconds. Overhead weight plate tricep extension or dumbbell tricep extension. Here we go. When we think about the tricep, we want to work all 3 heads of it. So sometimes that means doing overhead moves like this one. Sometimes that means doing moves like the tricep kickback or the tricep press back. So that'll work muscles from all different angles, different ranges of motion to really hit all the parts of them we need to, okay? Thrusters, so starting here, elbows to knee, thrust. So it's like a squat with a push press. 5 seconds. Woo. Anybody growing any shoulder boulders yet? My shoulders feel as heavy as a boulder. I wonder if that counts. Woo. Good job. If you need more rest than this, take it, okay? This is supposed to be a challenge, not a confidence defeater. So you can still get all 8 of these sets in with more rest if you need them, okay? 2, 1. All right. Ready for some more thrusters? I'm not, but I'm going to do them anyway because I know you're doing them. If you have lighter weight, go faster. Set number 2, you're halfway there. Oh, nice. That move, you get a little triceps, little shoulder, a lot of cardiovascular challenge. Everyone wins. Here we go. 25 pounds is a little bit light for me for this move, but after the thrusters, yowza, it's just fine. 2, 1. So if you find you have to go down in weight, probably not because you're getting weaker, it's because you're sandwiching this with crazy thrusters, okay? So be kind to yourself mentally. You'll perform a lot better. Push it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. If you need to, just hold it. Hold it up. Very good. Last 20 seconds of this pair. Strip weight if you need to, but don't quit. Okay, take extra breaks if you need to. Don't give up. Press them up. Use your legs. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Ah, we made it. All right. Now we're going to take a break. 1 to 2 minutes. Let your muscles recover. Get your weights or your barbell ready for some heavy cleans and presses. Whew. And when you feel like you're ready, I'll meet you back here. All right, guys, I hope you had a nice, relaxing break and you're ready mentally and physically to get back into this challenge. Okay, so as a little mental and physical break from Tabata, we are doing a heavy clean and press rep set, okay? I cannot stress this enough, this is heavy for you, okay? Doesn't have to be what I'm lifting, doesn't have to be what anybody else is lifting. It just has to be the weight that you can lift with good form consistently, okay? So I'm starting off with 50 pounds. I'm going to do 3 sets of 8 reps, and then I'm going to put on 10 more pounds and do 3 sets of 6 reps, okay? So 8, 8, 8, 6, and another 6, and another 6, because I hate to say 6, 6, 6 in a row, okay? All right, so get your weights ready for this. Get your mind right, and let's do 8 reps of cleans and presses, okay? Remember to use those legs, get them under you, okay? All right. Get that weight transfer so that we go from our lower body to our upper body by the end of the move. Okay, here we go. Push through those heels. Going for 8. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, this makes me wish for rubber weight plates. 6, 7, 8. Very good. Take a rest. You've earned it. Breathe it out. First set is finished. Stretch out those arms, your chest and your shoulders. And release those fingers to get up overhead. So I got a super funny comment this morning. It was, how bad did your feet smell after that one? And it really made me pause and reflect back to the workout that this person was commenting on, and I was thinking, you know, that wasn't a half bad question, because my feet stunk really, really badly after that workout. And I'm pretty sure I stretched barefoot, did our cool down barefoot, so I'm sure I was knocking myself out and perhaps was knocking you out all the way at home. So anyway, it's very humbling to get funny little comments like that. It made me giggle and made me think about foot hygiene in general and how my feet usually smell. So anyway, set number 2, make sure you get your mind right, your positioning right, flat back, shoulders down and back. Transferring that weight from the lower part of our body to the upper part of our body is going to require our whole body working together. Here we go. 1. Don't be afraid to make weird noises if it helps you. 3. 4. 5. 6, 2 more. 7, 8. Second set, knocked out. Awesome job. I can feel that all over. That is one of those moves that makes you feel so strong and so powerful. You should always add those movements into your workouts, because so much of feeling like you can do the hard things is mental. So putting moves in your workout in your weekly routine that help you to feel strong and help you to get stronger and help you to increase your confidence is a really good idea. Confidence is key when you're doing the hard things. All right, you guys ready for your third set of 8? I think I'm ready. All right, get your weights in position, your body in good position, weights in those heels. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, halfway there. 5, 6, 7, use those legs. 8. Very good. Awesome work. I'm going to add some weight for my 3 sets of 6 reps. I'm going to change my camera, and I'll see you back here for that. Awesome job, guys. All right, guys, hope you're ready for your 6 rep rounds. I've got 60 pounds on my bar now, and I am ready to tackle this challenge. I hope you guys are too. Okay, we're going to go for 6 reps. So, same thing, form even more important if you increased your weight, okay? Got to use those legs, got to keep a tight core to protect your spine, got to keep those shoulders down and back. Try not to shrug so that those traps don't overdo it and cause you some injury, okay? Here we go. Get used to that weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, squeak out, 2 more. 5, last one. 6. Whew. That's a good weight for me, I think. Doesn't feel good, but good and challenging. All right. Always nice to get a super loud text message from your mom during the workouts, but tell you what, family is very precious, so no matter what they interrupt in your day or your life, know that you won't always have them forever, and you might miss those interruptions someday, so she can absolutely blow me up with text during this if she needs to. All right, are you guys ready for your second set? I hope so. I feel a little bit like Dora the Explorer, who's like, what is your favorite part of the workout? And then waits for your answer, but you're not in the room with me, so you can't. So anyway, I hope you guys are ready for the next set, because we are doing it, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last one. Use all you got. 6. Very good. One more set to go, guys. Then we'll move on to equally punishing things that are different. Any of you all who have children or little ones in your life have probably seen episodes of Dora the Explorer. I know I've seen my fair share, and there's always that time in the episode where she asks you questions, and there's a very long pause, and I don't know about your kids, but my kids never answer Dora's questions, and I always feel real sorry for her as she stands there in silence looking out of the TV screen. So sometimes I feel like her a little bit when I ask a question on these videos. So I will not laugh about Dora anymore and her very open-ended questions. All right, we have 6 more of these. I hope you're ready. Make this your best set ever. Increase your weight if you can with good form, okay? Don't just increase your weight if you can, because we all can do that. But we can't always do that without hurting ourselves, okay? So shake it out, get your mind right. Arms about shoulder width apart, all right? Bars close to our legs, weight in the heels, generating power all the way from our heels to our hands. Here we go. Push, 1, 2, 3, that one almost didn't happen. Couple more. 4. It's okay to mess up. It's how you learn. 5. Last one. 6. Very good. I'm going to do one more just because that one kind of buckled my confidence a little bit. So I'm going to try one more. If you had a mess up, try one more too. There we go. Lucky number 7. Awesome. Awesome job, guys. Great job pushing through those. I know that wasn't easy. I know you challenged yourself. So take a minute. We'll come back for more Tabata pairs. And our next one is going to be push presses with tricep push-ups, okay? Get a drink, and I'll see you here in a minute. Awesome job. All right, guys, we're on to that next Tabata pair. Again, we're doing push presses and tricep push-ups. I'm going to challenge myself, especially for these first couple, to do 25 pounds per hand, okay? I've been taking it easy on the weights for my wrist's sake recently, so I'm going to try to get some good heavy push presses in. Use your legs here. Now that my wrist is feeling better, I feel okay doing this. 5 seconds. Very good. Kind of mimicking that upward phase of your clean and press with those. I'm going to do tricep push-ups on weights. Okay, there we go. Lower that chest. Elbows tracking back. Tight core. You can keep your legs wide like I am. You can do them on your knees. You can bring your legs together. Whatever works for you. If you're doing one lower modification, try a couple with a more difficult modification. Just to push you past your comfort zone a little bit. Here we go. Time to go. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Very good. Whew, that's not easy. But whoever said it was supposed to be? Nobody. All right, here we go. Look about 6 inches ahead of you. Almost there. Oh, yikes. Okay, I'm going to try one more set with these 25s. It is not going to be pretty, but we're going to do our best, okay? If you don't push yourself, who will? Very good. Oh, make that last set of drops up for sure. 2, 1. Tighten that core. Push-ups are not just an upper body movement. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your core. Killer. All right, I'm gonna go down to 20 pounds per hand for this last set. 7 of 8. Okay. This feels so heavy too. 10. To go. 2. You can tell I'm shaking. I'm working hard. You work hard too, but do it safely. All right, tricep push-ups for the last time. Triceps are burning. Very good. Oh, you guys, you made it. You're another Tabata pair. Our next Tabata pair is going to be tricep kickbacks with lateral raises. So get your weights readjusted for that. Make sure your muscles have recovered, because those are also some nice tricep and shoulder moves that will burn. And I will see you back here for that Tabata pair. Awesome job. All right, guys, tricep kickbacks and lateral raises. Now with the tricep kickbacks, you can either do them one side at a time. It's always good to work unilaterally to make sure that your strength is nice and balanced on both sides. You can do them alternating, okay? Depending on the weights you have and what makes it the most challenging for you, okay? I think I'm going to do mine both at the same time. I may change my mind in the middle like I always do, and I always reserve that right. And then we're going to do some lateral raises after that. So I'm going to use 12 pounds here for as long as I can, and you have 10 seconds. Kickbacks first. Oh, party time. This is a super duper party time workout, just so you know, okay? I'm feeling all kinds of party time here. Elbows up. Very good. All right. You can shake them out for a hot second and then get those lateral raises going. Okay? Gonna be great. All right, if these weights that you've selected you find are too heavy, go down and wait, okay? We are about making consistent right choices, not about just brutalizing ourselves so that we can't move for an entire week. All right. Having fun yet? This Tabata pair, thank the Lord, is not as breathtaking. So we're still getting that time under tension for our muscles, but we're not having to use our whole entire body to complete the movement. Although bending over here feels pretty challenging. Very good. Whew. Always a good time when we're challenging ourselves together. All right, here we go with lateral raises. These don't have to be super high. Try to pause a little at the top, just to challenge yourself. And slow the weights down on the way down. Very good. Oh my. We are on 5 of 8. We're getting there. We are getting there, guys. Here we go. You can start taking one at a time if you need to. That helps you get a nice full contraction. Sometimes it helps form a lot to take one side at a time. Just helps you get your mind around it, helps you not to use your whole body to throw those weights up there. Here we go, lateral raises. Five seconds. Very good. 7 of 8, one full round to go. Tell yourself that. I have to do each of these moves one more time. Not a big deal. This is a tough workout, but you are tough. But it's a good match. Very good. All right. Last time you have to do that one. Shake out those forearms. We'll be done with this Tabata pair after this last set of lateral raises. Breathe. Be thankful for your amazing shoulder boulders and triceps. What they have done today is nothing short of extraordinary. Very good. Wow. All right. Dry off from that. Get a drink, and I'll tell you what we're doing next. All right, so your next move, your next Tabata pair, is going to consist of some pulley presses. So here, okay? And we are pairing that with clean and press burpees. Still trying to decide whether I'm going to use dumbbells for this. I'll probably use dumbbells for the clean and press burpees just because I can take it sideways. You can see me a little bit better. It's less awkward with the bar, okay? It's less awkward than with the bar, okay? So, pulley presses, I'm going to do with 20 pounds per hand. Clean and press burpees, I'm going to start with 25, and I may go up to 30 pounds per hand, just to keep with that 60 that I like, depending on how my wrists feel. So, get your weights all ready for your next Tabata pair here. And those lovely pulley presses, which literally try your soul. Especially when you pair them with clean and press burpees. All right, let's not even think about it. Let's just go. You have 10 seconds. Pulley presses. You may have to drop your usual weight for these because think about what you've done, okay? Keeps you humble. So you're going to pull down as you push up, just like a pulley. Reminds me of what the Ninja Warriors have to do. And one of the obstacles they do on American Ninja Warrior. I love that show. Oh my goodness. I would absolutely kill to be able to do that. All right. Clean and press burpees. Down for your push-up. Up. Clean it. Press it. You do not have to jump. You're welcome. Very good. Woo, glad that's over. Good times. All right, back to those pulley presses. Think about your lats here too. Just because we're focusing on 2 muscles doesn't mean that we're not using a lot of other accessory muscles to get this done. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, those are the worst. Okay. Absolutely the worst. to clean and press some burpees. Push it up. I'm making my push-up a tricep push-up. My. All right. Okay. Pulley press. All I can do to get these out. I know you are struggling too. You can do this. All right, executive decision. Next set is going to be a drop set. Is what's happening. Okay? You know your body better than anybody else. You need to strip those weights. Do it. Your faces are too beautiful to get smashed by a dumbbell. Almost there. All right. Wow. All right, I'm pausing this for a second to get lighter weights for those pulley presses. Enjoy. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, here we go. I'm down to 15. I'm not feeling a bit bad about it. I'm not feeling less strong. I'm feeling like I'm doing a drop set. And I'm still getting that time under tension. So are you. Okay? Still hard. Doesn't feel like I've dropped too much other than my strength. 10 seconds. Very good. Last clean and press burpee. I'm not going to mess around with trying to get that weight up. I'm just going to do 20 per hand, okay? Nice push up. Use those legs. Get them up there. Nice push up. Transfer that weight. Alright, you're almost done. Whew, you are done. Whew. Alright, now you get to take a break. You're almost done, I promise. And I will see you back here for our next bit of fun for those shoulders and triceps. Awesome job, guys. Alright guys, we are back for our last Tabata pair. I may have taken a longer break than I should have. Okay, like maybe 2 minutes instead of 1. But I'm feeling good, I'm feeling ready. I am going to attempt to do these tricep push-ups on my toes for as long as I can with the weighted vest on. And I'm not going to feel a bit bad if I have to go down to my knees, okay? This is the end of your workout, kind of a little burnout Tabata pair, if you will. So just do what you can to keep those muscles going. We're going to pair those weighted vest tricep push-ups with front raises, okay? If you don't have a weighted vest, just knock out some tricep push-ups. To make them harder, you could elevate your feet. You could do them single leg, whatever you feel like challenges you in the best way, okay? Now, anytime I see somebody put on a weighted vest for push-ups and they just do a really good job, sometimes I find myself comparing. But remember what we always say, that comparison is the absolute thief of joy. So don't think about what I'm doing in my weighted vest. Don't think about what anybody else is doing in their weighted vest for these push-ups. Think about what you are doing, okay? Think about how far you've come, because that's all that matters. I'm going to move these weights. Hopefully you can see me, because I'm not about to try to get that barbell out of the way. Tricep push-ups, okay? Hands are close to our sides. Do them slowly. Do them quickly. Do them however you can. Really push. Think about your triceps. Very good. See, we got through it. Now, we're going to do some front raises. I'm going to use my 12-pound dumbbells here for as long as I can. Here we go. I I love them. If you're having any wrist strain, you can always take them hammer style, okay? I love everything hammer style, so guess that's why we are the Velvet Hammer. Tricep push-ups, again, you can do these on weights if that makes it better for you, okay? Already feeling harder. Think about your triceps. Calling all their friends to help them help you do a push-up. Triceps party line. All right. Or maybe in this day and age they FaceTime all the other muscle fibers and they say, come on to the party. And everyone's like, okay. And you get through your tricep push-ups. All right. Three, 2, 1. There we go. I'm modifying with my feet here because it's getting hard. This is your third set though. Very good. Try not to shrug those shoulders. Squeaked out the last one. Oh, very good. Here we go. Front raises. Almost there. Very good. Whew. I do believe this is your last set of tricep push-ups. And it is. There we go. Hang on as long as you can. Muscles are very fatigued. Don't forget your form. Hold a plank if you are completely done. Last set of front raises, guys. This was a humdinger. So I'm so proud of you, no matter what you did today. 10 seconds. Tabata Supersets are no easy win, especially when you're using a lot of power moves while you're doing them. Awesome, awesome job. Guess what? You are finished with today's workout. The only thing that is left between you and the rest of your day is a nice cool down, which I think you'll enjoy. So get wiped off, clear out your space, and I'll see you back here for that. All right, guys, it's time to cool it down. Let's start with just some side-to-side reaches. Stretching those side body muscles, but also your lats and your shoulders here. Now let's hold it on this side. Don't collapse into that arm. I just caught myself doing that. Lift the chest. Have some integrity there. All right, other side. All right, tricep stretch. Really breathe here, flood your muscles with oxygen. Other side. those shoulders stretched out. Take that arm across the chest. Look over your right shoulder. Alright, other side. Get the neck stretch in here too. Good job. Shake it out. All right, now we're going to come into a tabletop position. We're going to inhale, let our belly fill with air, and then we're going to exhale, arch the back. Roll the neck over. Inhale again. Arch the back. Exhale. Take those hips under, around the spine. Inhale. Keep the belly nice and soft. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Work through that neck. Loosen it up. And exhale. Awesome job. All right, now I want you to send your hips back, knees out wide. Press your palms into your mat so you can feel a stretch in your lats or your side body muscles here. Now we're going to the left, so left hand goes to the left, right hand's on top, and our hips are going to shift back and towards the right side of our body. Right back center. And then right hand towards the right, left hand on top. And shift your hips back and towards the left. And back center. Press through those palms. And then walk those hands back. Walk the knees in. Go back into a tabletop position. Get our weight back into our heels. Push back into those hips. Bicycle the feet, pedal them out. Press your weight into those palms and into those heels, stretching out the hamstrings and also the spine and the shoulders here. Now we're going to heel toe in. Get one more little hamstring stretch here. And slowly roll it back. Awesome job today, guys. I hope you had a lot of fun conquering your September Jackhammer challenge. You did amazing. It was super hard. And I will see you back up at the camera for your send-off. All right, guys. Awesome job crushing your September Jackhammer challenge. It was so brutal. Wow. Very humbling workout. I hope that your arms are like mine, just trembling and shaking and feeling very strong. I hope that you're feeling super powerful from completing all of those cleans and presses and power moves. Wow, what an amazing thing we have in our bodies, and what wonderful, spectacular things they can do. So don't forget that this week. Also, don't forget to drink your water today, get a healthy post-workout meal in your body, and don't forget to stretch some more if you need to, okay? Also, don't forget to tell your friends and family about us. I would love to see as many people as we could possibly reach getting healthy, and not only getting healthy, but appreciating the amazing bodies that they've been given and not wanting somebody else's, because what you have is very special, okay? All right, so share us with others. Have an amazing, awesome week. Remember to not let comparison steal your joy, okay? We see so much on social media that makes us think that everybody else and their brother has a better life than we do. And it's absolutely not true, okay? So when you see somebody doing weighted vest push-ups, or when you see somebody lifting more weights than you, or having a better house or better family life or whatever, please don't think that that is truth, okay? We are all blessed in very different ways, and I don't want any of you guys to get your joy stolen by comparing to others. So, have an amazing week. Love somebody difficult. Don't let comparisons steal your joy. And whether you feel like your shoulders are boulders, or whether you feel like there's a giant boulder right on top of them right now, you finished. And as always, it is your health today and every day, so you better hit it hard. Here we go. Here comes the hammer. Boom! Have an awesome day, Jackhammers, an awesome rest of September, and I'm always proud of you. See you soon.